Welcome to a journey through time and justice, where the highest court in the land takes center stage. This narrative unfolds in the heart of American democracy, where the Supreme Court, an institution as old as the nation itself, sits as the final arbiter of the law. Here we'll delve into the intricacies of the court's involvement in the legal battles of former President Donald Trump. Episode 1 begins with the legal odyssey that leads a case to the Supreme Court. Picture a path, winding and fraught with legal jargon, courtrooms, and a myriad of appeals. This path is not for the faint of heart. It demands time, resources, and a compelling issue that challenges the interpretation of the Constitution itself. The journey to the Supreme Court is not a sprint, it's a marathon. We then move to the second episode, exploring the rarefied process of the Supreme Court's selectivity. Only about 100 cases a year have the privilege of being heard by the 9 justices. What makes these cases so special? Why do some legal battles get the coveted spot while others fall by the wayside? The answers lie in the court's unique decision-making process. In the third episode, we encounter some puzzling actions by the Supreme Court. These unusual engagements often leave legal scholars and the public alike scratching their heads. From surprise judgments to unexpected silence, the court keeps us on our toes. The fourth episode unveils an enigmatic pronouncement involving a Colorado case, adding a twist to our narrative. This case could have put Trump back on the presidential ballot, a possibility that shook the nation. In the fifth episode, we'll hear from George Conway, offering a unique angle on the Supreme Court justices. His insider's view provides a fresh perspective, shedding light on the individuals who hold the power to shape the nation's legal landscape. The sixth episode deciphers a vague query from Trump, delving into its legal aspects. What did the former president really want from the Supreme Court? The answer may surprise you. In the seventh episode, we'll discuss the Supreme Court's cautious approach to recent developments. The court often avoids controversy, but when it does engage, it does so with precision and purpose. Finally, in our eighth episode, we conclude and speculate on what lies ahead for the Supreme Court and Trump. The court's decisions have ripple effects that shape the future of American politics and law. As we navigate this narrative, we'll uncover the truth behind the headlines, delve into complex legal theories, and explore the inner workings of the Supreme Court. This is a journey of discovery, a quest for understanding, and a deep dive into one of the most powerful institutions in the United States. It's a story of law, power, and the pursuit of justice, and it all begins right here